Hey guys, I'm LJ Hunt with Iron Valley Real Estate. I just wanted to introduce you guys to 318 Middleton Layout in Chesapeake. It is a 4.5, 2,529 square foot home built of 2021. It's just absolutely amazing here at Hickory Manor. So we're going to show you guys around and how we actually execute and start and prepare for an open house. So as you come in, guys, you're going to have this beautiful living area. As we're walking around, obviously you got some really nice seating here. Another beautiful open concept with the dining room table. Got the kitchen on this side, and you've actually even got a beautiful gas fireplace behind us here. And of course, the secluded office space with window view and some wonderful natural sunlight. So we're gonna go ahead and head upstairs, and then I'm gonna show you some of the stuff that we do for the open house. So top of the landing, you tell everything is still looking pretty good after 3 years, but we're going to go ahead and jump right into the primary bedroom here. Plenty of room for a king size bed, couple of end tables, dresser, the whole nine. Got a beautiful walk-in closet as we come over here into a completely updated primary bath. Standalone shower, soaking tub, dual sinks for him and her. We're gonna go ahead and hit up the rest of the house. So as we come through, guys, you're gonna have 2 more bedrooms on this side. Followed by an absolutely gorgeous main bathroom here on the 2nd floor. Last but not least, the 4th bedroom, which they're currently using as an exercise room. And then behind me is an absolute staple. It's a washer and dryer on the 2nd floor for these new builds, guys. That way you do not have to go downstairs and back to upstairs when you're doing your laundry. So let's check it out downstairs real quick so that I can show you what we do for our open houses here at Iron Valley. So of course, we always have the digital login. Plenty of food and drinks for any guests that are going to come in. Lots of information, both about loans, about our listing packages. We've got some coloring books for the kiddos so they feel comfortable about the move. Snacks. Shout out to some of our wonderful sponsors, vendors, just the people that we work with are amazing. I mean, One Mortgage, obviously, Veterans United, Noble Title and Escrow. We've also got a Chosen Home Warranties and then Lynn's Property Inspections. But it's a couple minutes after, and I did see a couple of people getting ready to walk into the open house here. Here they are. How you doing?
Hi.
So have a wonderful day, guys, and I will see you soon.